YouTubers, my name is Keith Billings, and today I am going to be doing a review for you guys. So, let's get into the airgun review. Check it out. This thing is badass. It has some Audacity here, so it's really heavy. It also slides. It's extremely loud, and it's extremely heavy. That's the most powerful airgun I've ever shot before, so yeah. I'll be firing it for you guys tomorrow, so sweet, stay tuned. Bitches. And anything else I gotta say? Nope, just bang bang. Alright, see you guys first thing tomorrow. Peace. And rocking fist fucking cords, all that shit. And yeah, we'll be stay tuned tomorrow, so go and check it out, guys. Alright, thanks.